Everyone? Everyone is ready to start? Okay. So my name is David. I come from InterSystems, and I'm going to present how you can go from API inception to API implementation in, let's just say, Benalmadena. So, everyone from outside of Spain, try to say Benalmadena. You want to try?
Benalmadena.
Oh, go out, please. So, okay, please, Alberto. So, we are going to talk about what is an API. Everyone knows what about is an API, right? So we are talking here about REST APIs. The idea is we are going to have every time a client and a server. So there is right now an initiative that is the Open API Specification, also known as Swagger. Everyone, how many, raise your hand, how many people know Swagger? Okay, a lot of, okay. The rest of the people, please go out. No, please remain here. Okay, so we can design with the Swagger specification in order to have API client and the API service. The idea is to do this with automation. I mean, you can produce in an automatic way the API. Also, you can progress in your secure the specification, secure the API, publish, set. So we are going to be fast. This is one of the reasons because the people is using Swagger. This is one of the questionnaires and statistics about people using REST, and more or less everyone is using Swagger. But we know that there is a problem with the standardization of the API. So this is really important to be very good in the design. So we are introducing the design first. Please, the design first. Everyone knows about the design first? Yeah, raise your hands. Okay. Only one. Okay. The coffee is good? Yeah, okay. Well, the idea is we start the project designing the API. When we design the API with it, for example, there is a free tool that is the Swagger editor. We can produce automatically the specification and the server and client side. And also we can publish and consume. So we have the specification and produce the API client and service automatically. Well, in order we can consume. Well, go ahead. For this demo, we are going to do something hands-on, really fast. We are going to use several tools. One of them will be the Swagger editor. The other one will be our product, that is InterSystems IRIS. We are using Docker containers. We are using also the Visual Studio Code. An extension, the nice extension. We have the author of this extension here, that is Dimitri. So it's a really good one. And we are going to use Postman for testing. Okay, so go. The fifth. So everyone, the party is here. Come. Yeah. If you want to see nice code, come here. So this is the Swagger editor. With the Swagger editor, we can design an API. This is a very simple API. This is a test. So we have only one HTTP GET, and we are going to do to return a simple JSON object, for example. So we can export this. Don't worry about that. We can export this file. Okay, that is a JSON specification, and we can go, for example, to the Explorer. This is a wrapper over our functionality in order to create in an automatical way the API. So we are going to create a new application, upload the Swagger. We need to define the namespace, that is the place where we are going to place the API, and the application name. So we can create, and voila, we have it. Okay? Well, after we have it, we have to code what we want to do with someone called the API. Go to this Visual Studio, please. Well, Alberto is my partner, is helping me. Please, everyone clap to Alberto, please. Thank you. Okay. Alberto, please, very fast, you can code what we want to do. For this example, we are going only to return an HTTP 200, that is okay. Okay. Well, very good, Alberto. Nice coder. The other thing we need to do is to return a content type of type application JSON. Okay. That is really, really easy to do. We have only to put the property and the value of the property. And after, we need to return a JSON object. We can write down directly a JSON object here. So there is one only, we have to put, we are going to, okay, so this is a nice JSON object with only one property and one value for this property. So after compile, we can use it. But we need to publish one endpoint, okay? For this, we can go to the IRIS and create a new endpoint. With this interface, we can create the endpoint, secure the endpoint, define the rules in way we can call this point. So this is the first. Here we have the URL that is going to be called. Here we have the dispatch class that was created before, and after save. And we are going to secure the application. For this demo, we are going to put that everyone can call it. And after that, we can see, if you refresh, that the endpoint is okay. So we can test the API, our really, really fast API. So we can use the Postman. Alberto is creating a new request. Everyone is expecting this is going to fail because everyone will get fun with us. But no, it's going to work. I promise. So this is the URL. Okay, and it's working. Benalmadena, clapping, thank you, thank you. If you want to see again the really fast demo, you can see that in the stand. So you know it's really fast. Only five steps. Thank you.